Everything. Hey there, science explorers. Have you ever wondered what the world is made of? Everything you see, touch, and even breathe is made of matter? That's right. From your toys to your toes, it's all matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has weight. You can find matter in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas. Your bed is solid, the water you drink is liquid, and the air you breathe is a gas. Now, matter can be pretty different. Some things are hard, some are soft, some things float, and some things sink. Let's dive in and find out why. It's all about density. Let's head to the beach for this one. Imagine holding a rock in one hand and a sponge in the other. Drop them both in the water. What happens? The rock sinks, right? But the sponge floats. That's because of something called density. Density is how much stuff is packed into a certain space. The rock is very dense. It has a lot of matter packed tightly together. The sponge has lots of air pockets, so it's less dense. Remember this: if something is denser than water, it will sink. If it's less dense, it will float. Have you ever made lemonade from a powdered mix? You stir the powder into water, and it disappears. But where does it go? The powder dissolves in the water. This means the tiny particles of powder spread out evenly throughout the water. They're still there, just too small to see. But try dissolving sand in water. It won't work. Not everything dissolves in water. Whether something dissolves depends on the types of matter and how they interact. Feeling the heat. Imagine stirring a pot of soup with a metal spoon. Now imagine using an oven mitt instead. That stays much cooler. Why is that? It's because of something called thermal conductivity. This is how easily heat travels through a material. Metals are great conductors of heat. Heat travels through them very quickly. That's why the spoon heats up so fast. Oven mitts are made of materials that are poor conductors. We call them insulators. Heat travels through them very slowly, so your hand stays safe. Electricity is another type of energy that can flow through matter. Some materials, like metals, are excellent conductors of electricity. That's why we use metal wires to carry electricity. But materials like plastic and rubber are insulators. They block the flow of electricity. That's why electrical wires have a plastic coating. It keeps you safe by stopping the electricity from flowing into you. So, there you have it. We've explored density, solubility, thermal conductivity, and electrical conductivity. These are just a few of the amazing properties of matter that make our world so interesting. Keep asking questions, keep experimenting, and keep exploring the wonders of science.